Hi everyone. Welcome back to Techie Dialogue. In today's video, I'll show you how to convert a one-page PDF into multiple pages step by step. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more helpful tech tutorials. Let's dive in. Step 1. First, open File Explorer on your computer. Find the PDF file you want to convert, right-click on it, and select Open With. Then choose Microsoft Word. Step 2. Once the PDF opens in Word, click on the Layout tab at the top of the screen. Now place your cursor where you want to insert a page break. Click on Breaks and select Page Break. This will split your content into separate pages. Step 3. Repeat the page break step wherever necessary, depending on where you want the pages to be divided. Once you're done, click the Save icon, choose your location, set the file format to PDF, and hit Save. Make sure to change the file name if needed. And that's it! You've successfully converted your one-page PDF into multiple pages. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.